Hello and welcome to another tip of the day. Now for this one we're going to be using a tool a little bit differently, and it's actually using the waste as such. So I've been doing a lot of stenciling, so I've got a stencil here that I have got a lot of ink on now. I've been going through quite a number of cards. I've been batch making, so I've got lots of blue and purple snowflakes on my cards now, and I'm left with this on my stencil. Now usually you'd take that to the sink or something and you'd go, and of course you would then wash that off ready for next time. But before you do that, it's well worth transferring that print and seeing what effect you get. So what I'm going to do, I've done my cards and this has just got a little bit dry, it started to dry, so I'm just going to spritz it with a little bit, a very light mist of water, very, very light, not much at all, just to reinvigorate the ink and also to blend together some bits if need be. And then I am simply going to turn this over carefully, just holding the edges if I can, and press that onto my paper. This is just a plain piece of white paper. So just take my kitchen towel again. We'll trim that down, so don't worry about being straight at the moment. Just press that down and see what effect we get from that. There we go. So let's lift the stencil up. That is really pretty. That is really beautiful. And actually, I've got some more on there. So you can see we've got some gorgeous. Oh, that is a beautiful background. Okay, I'd be definitely using that over and over again. But we've got some more on there. So shall we have another go, another quick go, and see what we get if we stamp it a second time? So we're not wasting anything. We're not wasting any ink. We're not applying any more ink. So we are simply using what we would have washed down the sink. Okay, now again, just press that down. Just I put my cloth on there so I don't get messy hands, but also so that I don't catch any of the elements of the stencil or the mask and accidentally lift those up or bend them back, particularly as there's a lot of detail in this stencil. Okay, so one more time, let's have a look. We have almost got the same impression again, ever so slightly lighter, and there's still a little more ink on my stencil. I could do that with a third time if I wanted to. That's really, really pretty. So that's one way you can use the waste ink that's on your stencil if you want to, rather than throwing it away.